King of all fruit is mango, and this is just in the making of king. So this is available raw mango during the summer and during this period all over India, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Gujarat to east of Bengal, east of Indian states. So before we start, please like, share, subscribe my channel with your friends and family, and please write comment Radhe Radhe. We'll peel the mangoes, which is 2 kilo in quantity, and we'll pat dry and wash it, and then we'll do the grating. We'll grate all the mangoes to a fine grating, and this is a small bowl of katori. We are using it for the measurement. We have got 4 bowls of this mango. We'll add 1 by 2 of the same bowl for the salt. We'll put it on top. Then we'll add Kashmiri red chili 1 by 2 of that same bowl. Then 3 by 4 of the same bowl is spicy red chili powder, and turmeric powder is 10 gram of that spoon. Now we'll add vinegar, that is 3 by 4 of that bowl, and mix up well. This is seeds, which is mustard, cumin, coriander, methi and fennel seed. All 1 teaspoon. When it becomes cool, we'll put in the mixer grinder jar and make it to a fine paste. This is looking little coarse. We'll grind it further to a fine paste. So this paste, powder, you can see how beautiful it has got grinded, and we'll mix this with the mango pickle in the making. After this, the main work of preservation will be oil. So I have peeled a garlic and will crush it from the side of the knife, so that all the beautiful flavor of the garlic comes into the oil. I've taken 400 ml of mustard oil. When it heats up to a reasonable heat, when you put a piece of garlic, you can see how it is sizzling. When this happens and it colors to this kind of golden color, we'll add the seeds: mustard seed, cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon, and 4 to 5 pieces of red chili whole, torn into pieces, small pieces, and we'll add curry leaves. Now we'll remove it and put it on the mango pickle in the making. How beautifully it is sizzling, you can hear the sound. And now we'll mix it with the mango pickle in the making, so that all the strands of the mangoes is coated with this beautiful mustard oil, and it gives you lot of flavor. This will keep it open with a sieve kind of thing, so that all the water vapor which forms doesn't hit the lid. We'll keep it for 12 hours like that. Then in the next morning, we will put it into a jar. You can see how beautiful the mango is looking. It is ready to eat. We have taken 2 jars of the same size, and we will put it after washing and sanitizing and drying it. See, we'll put this similarly, and this doesn't require any sunlight or anything. This can be preserved for more than a year. After this, we'll put lid and put it into a refrigerator basically. Please like, share, subscribe my channel with your friends and family, and we want you to help us with more of subscribers. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.